In relativity, there is a mass-energy equivalence. In a model with only dust gravity is slowing down the expansion. Yet, photons also gravitate, so they should have some impact on the evolution of the universe. If you consider the different fluids in the universe, the different components in the universe, and how they dilute differently with expansion, we reach the conclusion that because radiation falls with the fourth power of the scale factor, whereas matter geometrically dilute to the cube of the scale factor, we reach the conclusion that eventually radiation would dominate. So we can calculate when this transition happened if we know the present densities of matter and radiation. This transition from radiation era to matter era occurred when the scale factor satisfied rho radiation is equal to rho matter. So we can find the scale factor that corresponds to it from the present day values of the radiation density and the matter density. So let's do this exercise. You have the A4 times the density of radiation is equal to the present density of radiation. A cubed times the density of matter is equal to the present density of matter. The values measured are matter, omega of matter is 0.27, and the omega of radiation is very small, 8.24 times 10 to the minus 5. Remember, these omegas are the densities in units of the critical density. Now, if you plug in these values and you solve for A, let's call A R comma M, that's the scale factor where radiation density is equal to matter density. So solving this equation, then you simply have the AR comma M is equal to omega radiation at present over omega of matter at present. And then this gives you a value about 3 times 10 to the minus 4. So the associated redshift, called ZRM, is 1 over A, Rm minus 1, and that gives you 3,270. Now, the temperature of the universe at this redshift, according to the equation that we found, T is equal to T naught 1 plus Z, then gives you 8,920 Kelvin. That is, it happened before recombination. The transition from radiation dominated to matter dominated happened before the emission of the cosmic microwave background.